Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am bringing you this fall winter wash and go that you see here. Before we get started, I just want to say thank you to Aquis for sponsoring this video today. So let's get into this wash and go. I am starting off with about day 4 hair, so not too bad in that department, but it's definitely time for a good wash. The curls are stretched out a bit. We're starting to see some frizz, and yeah, so we're going to get into the video, and I'm going to start off by showing you guys what I've been using to shampoo my hair. Getting into it, I've been using the Jamaica Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Shampoo. And this is me here after shampooing my hair. So my hair is dripping wet. I have not used the towel to dry yet. We're going to get right into deep conditioning. And for deep conditioning, I'll be using one of my absolute favorite conditioners, which is the Hydrate conditioner from Form Beauty. As you can see here, the conditioner is super thick, which is awesome because it gives great moisture as well as it helps to strengthen the hair. So you kind of get double duty in one product. So I start off by just applying the conditioner all over my hair and working it in. And since we're going to be detangling today, I'm going to section my hair. So my hair is not too tangled, so I'm going to do pretty big sections compared to what I normally do. So I'm going to go in and add a little bit more of the conditioner to the section I just parted. And then I'm actually going to be using a Tangle Teezer today to detangle my hair. I'm typically a wide tooth comb kind of girl when it comes to detangling, but I've fallen in love with this Tangle Teezer. I was never really a big fan of the Denman brush, I think because the bristles were too long for me, but this Tangle Teezer here is just perfect for detangling my hair. At first I was a little bit worried that I would have more shedding than normal, but it does not break my hair. It just gently releases the knots and does a great job with distributing the product as well as detangling my hair. So I'm just going to repeat those same steps throughout my whole head. I'm going to part the top of my hair into 2 sections. So at the end, I ended up having 3 sections in all. Yep, guys, as you can see, I am definitely enjoying this detangling session here. So moving on to the last section, we're just going to repeat those same steps, apply a little bit extra conditioner, use the Tangle Teezer to detangle. And then once I've finished applying all the product and detangling my hair, I'm just going to let down all my sections and actually bring my hair into a bun. I've been doing this a lot recently as opposed to just deep conditioning my hair in different sections. That way the hair is all joined and it just, for me, feels like it's doing a better job with deep conditioning. So while the conditioner sits in my hair for about 15 minutes, I want to tell you guys a little bit about this Aquis hair turban. So as you can see, it's a pretty large towel. Compared to other hair turbans, if you've seen them before, they're definitely not as big as this towel here. So I really love that about the Aquis hair turban. The other great thing about this towel is that it actually helps to cut your drying time by 50%. And that's all thanks to the fabric that it's made from. It is super soft, super absorbent, and does a great job with absorbing the water out of your hair. Because it does this so quickly, it helps to prevent what is known as high growth fatigue. And if you've never heard this term before, it's the stretching and swelling of wet hair that can really make your hair susceptible to frizz and damage. And this rapid dry hair turban does a great job with really securing around your head and absorbing that excess water. And it always amazes me when I remove this towel from my hair and my hair is still clumped and frizz-free and drier than it would be had I used a different turban or a regular towel. So I am in love with this towel, and I'm not just saying this, I really mean it, guys. Ever since I've received this towel, it is all that I use on my hair. It is just the bomb. It's amazing, and it's very easy to use. I let that sit in my hair for a little bit. I honestly don't even need to leave it on my head that long, and it just absorbs all of the moisture, and my hair is already on its way to drying. So after leaving it in for a few moments, I then remove it, and as you can see, look at this, guys. So my hair already feels like it's drying, but yet it's still really defined, frizz-free, shiny. The hair just looks awesome. Alright, so moving on to styling, I'm going to be using two of my favorite stylers. The first one is the DevaCurl SuperCream, and then the Ouidad Advanced Climate Control Gel. And I'm going to first start off by, in sections, applying the DevaCurl first and just working that into my hair, and then I'm going to switch over and top it off with the Ouidad gel. Now this has been my go-to combination recently, so I really love how these two products work together. And then I'm just gonna follow up with the Tangle Teezer once again and smooth that through my hair, and then just scrunch at the ends to get my curl pattern back. And look at that definition. So the hair's already looking great. And then I'm just gonna follow those same exact steps on all the other sections. I'm gonna apply the DevaCurl, and then the gel, and then the Tangle Teezer to smooth the product in, and then scrunch up to get my curl pattern back. And once all the product is applied to my hair, I'm just gonna part it how I want my hair to lay once it's dry. I've noticed that if I just let my hair in the front do what it wants, it's not gonna do what I want it to do. And then just do a little bit of separating, and then at this point I'm gonna go back in with the turban and actually scrunch up any remaining liquid or product that's in my hair, and just give my hair that jump start to drying. And so at this point I'm just gonna let my hair air dry for about half of the way. So I'm gonna go and finish getting dressed and ready, and once we come back we will finish off with a little bit of diffusing. So it's very important in the fall and winter time to not leave the house with super wet hair. So if my hair doesn't dry all the way while I'm air drying, I will finish off with a little bit of diffusing. So what I'm doing is I'm using the blow dryer on low heat and low speed. And then once I finish drying my hair, I'm just going to use a little bit of the Derma E Radiant Glow face oil. I know it's a face oil, but this oil is amazing for hair as well. So I'm going to rub some of the oil all over my hands, the palms and the back of my hand. And then I'm just gonna go in and fluff out my hair at the roots and also scrunch some of that oil into my ends, and it just does a great job with giving my hair added shine. It leaves it really smooth and soft. So to finish styling my hair, I'm just gonna go in and find those large clumps of curls and just help them to naturally separate. Nothing too crazy because I don't want to cause too much frizz, but this also helps with giving volume. And then I will take out my pick and just finish giving myself a little bit more volume at the roots. So that is it, guys. That is my fall / winter routine wash and go. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and once again, thank you to Aquis for sponsoring this video, and I will leave the information to where you can find the Aquis hair turban down in the description box, so be sure to check that out. And don't forget to leave me a like if you enjoyed this video as well. Leave me any questions or comments you have for me down below. Subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.